Hello, and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the third grade concept of representing addition and subtraction problems. This is standard 3.5a in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 7 off the 2024 release STAAR, which is a new item type called multiple select. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. All right, so what do we have here? We've got Jada traveling to visit her aunt who lives, we got a distance, 789 miles away, and she needs to travel 321 more in order to arrive at her aunt's house. So we need two different representations. And as you see here with this multiple select, let's take a moment to see how that works. We're only allowed to select two. So if I wanted to select these first two, you'll notice that it's impossible for me to select a third. So the system really just wants me to select two. And if I only select one, like this, and try to move on, it is going to show up as a warning. I have not answered one or more parts of the question. Do you want to go on? No, I don't want to go on. I want to stay on the page. So that's how the multiple select works. We want to select two correct answers. So let's draw a picture here. Okay, so this is going to be Jada. And she is going to want to go to her aunt's house. And let's make it, I guess, kind of like a number line. Right, so there's the aunt's house. So she lives at 0, right? And her aunt lives at 789. That's it's a long way away. That's across the whole state of Texas. So, long way away to go visit the aunt's house. Take a look at this sentence right here, because this is going to kind of impact everything we do. She needs to travel more. She needs to travel 321 more. You know what that means? She's not there yet. So she needs to travel 321 more. So I'm gonna just kind of guesstimate that's where she is. Let's see if I can draw a car right about there. All right, so her family is there. And we don't know how far she's gone, but she needs to go 321 more miles. So we can say this distance is 321 miles. That's how much more she needs to go. Really, what this is saying in a different way is this is how far away she is. When you're in your car and you keep asking, are we there yet? Are we there yet? How much farther? She asked, and her parents said 321 more miles. All right, so we need to find two representations to look at and look at the question. The question is very important. The number of miles Jada has already traveled. Okay, so she's already done this. She's gone this far. She is 321 miles away from the house. Well, hopefully you see with that picture, we should be seeing, and I see two of them down there, right? We should be seeing a part whole, because what we should see is the whole is the 789. Okay, that's the whole distance to the aunt's house. And then she still needs to travel 321, so that could help us, right? Figure that out. And you notice my representation is a little bit different because there's different ways to draw part holes, but really we're looking at this fifth option. Okay, so let's go ahead and mark that. We need one more, and you notice the other three options are going to be just basic equations. Okay, so let's see which equation. If we know this works, because basically we drew the part hole right there, we just kind of flipped it upside down. Well, take a look at this. 321 minus something is going to make 789. Now this minus this does not make the whole. That's not how the part whole works. And then look at this one. 789 plus 321? No, you don't add these two to get to that. That doesn't make any sense. Really, we're looking at an addition problem could work, right? 321 plus the unknown would get us our total of 789. So those are our two answers, the second and the fifth option.